Startup is the first essential step in maintenance and optimal operational performance of your drive. With that in mind, Schneider Electric offers you drives startup and commissioning service to help you from the very beginning. Let me tell you about it in 60 seconds. We offer 3 levels of startup support. On-site startup is recommended for drives smaller than 90 kilowatts and simple applications. But for very small drives, we can also offer the remote startup option to reduce the cost impact. For big systems and medium voltage drives, the commissioning offer is the right choice because it also takes into consideration the drive and the application complexity. Any on-site drive startup service provides you with certified technical experts performing a predefined list up to 100 checkpoints, a detailed report with drive configuration, topology, and recommendations, and a basic training in the operation of your drive. With our expertise, we can help you to reduce startup time and risk of failure, optimize performance of your drive, and ensure compliance to specifications. And that was drive startup and commissioning in 60 seconds.